In this video, I will be showing you how to use a size chart to figure out what size of shirt to order when you're purchasing online. First, find a shirt at home that fits you comfortably. Preferably a shirt that is similar to the one you're buying online. If you don't have one, that's fine. Lay the shirt on the ground and measure from underarm to underarm, which will give you the chest/width size. Use a tape measure of any kind. Take down the measurement and compare it to the size chart. In this example, the measurement was 52 centimeters. Yours may be in inches, and that's perfectly fine. Use the same concept. Now you're going to compare it to the size chart that is available to you. In this example, it says 52 centimeters. 52 centimeters is a medium in this case. Number 3, your shirt length. You're going to use the same concept and measure, but measure from the top to the bottom of the shirt. This will give you the length. Take down the length and compare it to the size chart again. In this example, the tape measure shows a size of 75 centimeters. As you can see, it also matches with the medium at 75 centimeters. Next, you're going to decide if the provided size is right for you, based on the length and width of the measurements that you took. It may not measure perfectly, but this is just an estimate. Also, remember that the most important part of this is your chest width. It doesn't matter if the size chart doesn't show the length. Also remember that sizes and specs are a guide only, and actual garments might be a bit different, but that is fine. And if you're unsure, go up a size. It's always better to go big or go home. With that being said, thank you for watching. Visit www.turnnmred2020.com for your hottest Trump apparel.